It is the sound of thunder, the shape of speed, the ultimate dream.
Here, science meets art to create a raging bull that defies the laws of physics.
Welcome to Sant'Agata Bolognese. This isn't just a factory, it is a temple of speed.
Ferruccio Lamborghini's legacy lives on in every bolt, every stitch, and every explosion of horsepower. From a digital sketch to a 217 miles per hour beast. Fasten your seatbelts.
We are taking you behind the scenes of the Lamborghini production line.
Before the metal is cast, the dream begins with a single line. The DNA of a Lamborghini is unmistakable.
It is a sculpture first, a car second. The wind tunnel decides the shape, but the artist gives it soul.
Traditional sculpting meets virtual reality. Every curve is tested in the digital world before production starts.
Designers sculpt full-scale clay models by hand, refining the aerodynamics millimeter by millimeter.
Rapid prototyping allows engineers to test complex parts in hours, not weeks.
The heart of the beast is forged in fire. Molten aluminum becomes the legendary V12 engine block.
Computer-controlled drills carve the metal with the precision of a diamond cutter.
This is where the magic happens. The assembly is done entirely by hand by the motoristi, master engine builders.
Every bolt is tightened to a specific torque setting, recorded digitally for perfection.
12 cylinders, 1,000 horsepower, a masterpiece of mechanical engineering.
Before it meets the car, the engine is tortured on the dyno, pushed to its absolute limit.
Layers of carbon fabric are hand-laid into molds. It is lighter than aluminum, but stronger than steel.
Lamborghini is a pioneer in carbon fiber. They call it forged composite. The parts are baked in massive autoclaves under high pressure and heat, fusing the layers together. The result is the monofuselage, a single carbon shell that protects the driver and provides immense rigidity.
Aerospace-grade inspection ensures there are no structural weaknesses hidden inside.
Enter the paint shop. Robots apply the base coats to ensure a perfectly even layer.
But machines can't feel. Humans hand sand the body between coats to achieve a mirror-like surface. Through the Ad Personam program, a customer can request any color imaginable, even the color of their own lipstick.
Multiple layers of clear coat are buffed until the paint looks wet and deep enough to dive into.
The branding is applied. The shell is now ready to become a car.
Inside the upholstery department, the vibe changes. It feels less like a factory and more like a fashion atelier.
Alcantara and fine leather are cut with laser precision to fit the complex geometric seats.
The steering wheel is the driver's connection to the road. It is hand-wrapped for the perfect grip.
The signature hexagon patterns are stitched by skilled artisans. Every line must be perfectly straight.
Comfort meets race car stiffness. The seats are assembled to hug the driver at high speeds.
The most critical moment, the marriage. The body and the engine become one unit.
A team of specialists secures the powertrain. The nervous system of the car is connected.
Massive alloy wheels and carbon ceramic brakes are installed to handle the immense power.
It wouldn't be a flagship Lamborghini without the iconic scissor doors.
Fluids are pumped in. The circulatory system is primed and ready.
The light tunnel reveals even the tiniest imperfection. Nothing escapes this final inspection.
Hand-built, Italian-born, and ready to conquer the world.
Every single car is test-driven on the roads of Sant'Agata to ensure it behaves like a true Lamborghini.
This is how a legend is made. Thanks for watching.
Smash that like button if you want to see a Ferrari factory tour next. See you in the next one.